Hello everyone, I am Manish Yadav, working at GDR PSBM Purani Bazar Narkatiyaganj. Dear students, in this video, I will discuss about the chapter Dust of Snow in class 10th. So, first of all, this beautiful poem has been composed by Mr. Robert Frost. He was born on March 26, 1874 in San Francisco. Robert Frost was a leading American poet. His life was full of struggle. After the death of his father, after that he moved to England, and there he became worldwide. There he got worldwide fame for simplicity and depth of thought and modern approach. Dear students, in his poetry, we will see simplicity, depth of thought, and modern approach. And at last, he was died in 1963. In this poem, Dust of Snow, the poet was sitting under the hemlock tree. Hemlock tree, that means a poisonous tree, and the poet was disappointed, sad, so he was sitting under the hemlock tree. And suddenly a crow came on and sat on the tree, and because of the sitting of crow, some of the dust fall on the poet. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. The poet was sitting under the tree, and a crow came and sat on the tree, and it shook, and some of the dust of snow fall on the poet. In the second stanza, the poet says that has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had ruined. Dear students, here crow and hemlock tree, these two are symbolized. We know crow is the symbol of disappointedness, and hemlock tree, that is a poisonous tree. These two are bad omens. These two are the sign of bad omens. So, in the first stanza, the poet says that, and what happened in the second stanza, the reason, the effect of sitting under the tree and the falling of dust. Let's see. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had ruined. I had ruined. So, in the second stanza, the poet's mood was absolutely changed, completely changed. A change of mood. In the first stanza, the poet was disappointed, sad, and in the second stanza, his mood was changed. And what was the reason of his changing the mood? In the second stanza, the mood of poet changed because of the dust of snow. Has given my heart a change, as the poet's heart was full of regret, disappointed. So his heart changed, his mood changed, and said some part of a day I had rued. Means the poet says in the second stanza that for the whole day he held in regret that was changed because of the dust falling of dust of snow. Dear students, as I have told that crow and hemlock tree, these are two bad omens. So the message that the poet wants to convey is, even our bad karmas, even our bad actions sometimes does something that will be helpful, even helpful for us. So this beautiful the rhyming scheme of this poem is ABABCDCD. This beautiful poem, as it has been composed by Mr. Robert Frost, a leading American poet. So dear students, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, MS Institute of English. Thank you for watching this video.